Who wants to see my fashion in the 80s and the 90s? Are you ready? Let's go. We start off with an adorable baby in the 70s. I mean, look at her. How cute, right? And of course, when I go to Portugal, my mom has to have me in the whole Americana gear. 80s, it was all about the pink and the thick leggings underneath the jelly sandals. Now, if you didn't have a big puffy denim jacket with denim jeans and a denim shirt in the 80s, your style was not supersonic. But I gotta say, I loved my biking shorts. I want to bring them back. I'm not too keen about the semi-sheer top. I don't have that little six-pack abs anymore, but I was looking fresh. I wouldn't really call this rainbow bright blossom outfit fresh, but it was cool at the time. I'm not gonna lie, that was the style. It was not uncommon to get all like church beautifully dressed to go to high school in the 90s. I mean, like, look at that. That was a nice outfit. But I would also like to apologize to the ozone layer. And even back in the 90s, I was telling people, don't even think about burning this flag. I'm not even gonna say, glamour shots. Okay, if you didn't do glamour shots, you were just not cool. Don't come at me. You just don't know. Booty shorts with the silver top, the silver sandals, and the silver backpack with a silver ring on each finger. That's how we did it in the 90s. Damn, I loved those patchwork jeans. I wish I could find another pair. And my beautiful wedding dress. Strapless, fun, airy. I had to pair it with sandals because we were on a mountain and I loved it.